Progress update. Motor's out. That's getting stripped and inspected. Check everything. All the serviceable items on it are all sorted, and we're checking the barrel for wear, piston rings, piston, etc. So that's what's happening with the motor as it stands at the minute. That's on the bench in my garage, sorting that out. All the back end stripped off. I've stripped it bare out. This is what's left now of it. So today we're going to take the wheel out, take the forks out. The forks are going to get repainted because that's what they're like. So they're going to get repainted, serviced while they're out. Gold's really good on them forks, made up with that. So that's that, and we are going to take the bash plate off, clean the rest of the frame. Once all that's done, service the swing arm. That's going to get polished up, tidied up. All the linkage bearings were goosed, so they're all getting replaced. We've got new linkage bearings. I'll be doing that, and then the frame will be getting rid of all that nice shiny polished effect, going back to standard brushed aluminium. And then we're going to build a rolling frame, basically starting with the frame all clean and done. Going to build a rolling frame, put the swing arm back in, suspension back in, new decals, got them, they're all going to be put back on the frame. So it's a rolling frame, and then by that time hopefully we've got somewhere with the engine, and the engine's painted, and that can go back in. Jumping ahead of myself a bit there, but that's where we're up to. So we're going to start today stripping the rest off, cracking on with the frame. Right, let's do it.
Baby, and us in Texas, you wanna try, baby. I know you can, I know your heart, and you will figure out you love me now, 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 you know I gotta leave. You love me now, 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 you know I gotta leave.
Dog bones and rear shock. So rear shock, we're going to clean it, assess it, refurb it. The dog bones were absolutely mullered. I don't know if you can see in there. Well, you can just about see some of the needle bearings, dried out, worn out, fell out. That's actually seized in there, that bush, so we're going to press them out, both of them, because they had loads of play in it. There's the suspension linkage. There's two bearings in there, one either side, and then there's a bush that goes through the middle, and the same with that one. See needle bearings in there, worn out. Everything's worn out on that link. Fortunately, brand new linkage bearings and bushes. So that's what we're going to do now, is we're going to press them all out, clean them, everything up, get everything in. Let's crack on.
So goodbye for us, you have to say baby. And us in Texas, you wanna try, baby. I know you can, I know your heart, and you will figure out you love me now, 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 now. Love you now, I gotta leave. You love me now, 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 now. Love you now, gotta leave. Figure out you love me now, 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 now. Love you now, I gotta leave. You love me now, 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 now. Love you now, gotta leave.
Ryobi bits, absolute garbage. They just all fall apart. Thanks for watching. So yeah, a lot of progress done on this one now. All suspensions done, linkages, forks, so we're all ready now to start building the frame back up into a rolling chassis. On the next video, that's what we'll be doing. We're going to build the frame up, get it all in, get the wheels in, stickers on. We'll be cracking on with the engine, stripping that down, doing the serviceable items that we need to be done on it. Yeah, so another video, and then we'll see where we are after that. Hopefully we're not too far off. You're just gonna have to keep an eye on me, because I'm holding down a full-time job as well, trying to get in here and get as much as done as I can on the bike. I do need to get cracking, because we've got obviously the gas to do as well. But I'm not going to start the gas till this one's done, and obviously we've been out on it, had a ride on it, check everything's okay. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like if you can. The more of you that I get interested watching, the more I can see people are enjoying what I'm doing, the more effort I'm going to put into it basically. So yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.